Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a review on a pair of vintage Pierre Cardin sneakers. Yes, you heard me right, some vintage sneakers, and these sneakers are brand new, guys, brand new with tags from either the late 80s or the early 90s. Now, if you're a sneakerhead and you're just tuning into my channel because of the title, then welcome to my channel. I don't often do sneaker reviews, but I just had to do this review because this is just, oh my gosh, it's just like, I don't even have words. If you know me, you already know I'm really into vintage, and anything from the 80s, I absolutely love. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the designer before we go into the close-ups and details of the shoes, because some of you may not know who Pierre Cardin was. So yes, you heard me right, was. He's no longer with us, but he is a well-known fashion designer. And within the fashion industry, he is, has truly made a mark. So Pierre Cardin was born July 2nd, 1922 in Italy. So Pierre Cardin moved to France, and that's where he remained for the remainder of his life. And Pierre Cardin was born Pietro Constante Cardin. I hope I'm saying that correctly, but he is known for his avant-garde style of fashion. He was really into playing with geometric shapes and designs. His dad wanted him to be an architect when he, was studying in school. So he did study architecture for a little bit, but his passion was dressmaking. So he ended up, in fashion design, but you can see that influence of architecture within his design. So on the split screen, you see a picture of Pierre Cardin, and now I'm showing you a picture of a dress that he designed using a heat molding method that was so cool to get those forms to show up in the dress. He totally ignored the woman's form, the form of the woman's body, and went with what was aesthetically pleasing to him. And like I said, geometric shapes and architectural design were a big influence in his designs. Like I say, very avant-garde. Also, he is known for being the creator of the bubble skirt from the 1950s. So Pierre Cardin was, like I say, very well known within the fashion industry and really made a mark for himself. He branded his name and created perfumes and all types of things related to fashion. So and he passed away December 29th, 2020. He died at the age of 98 years old. So I am going to show you the shoes that I got. I picked them up from Ruben's department store, one of the oldest department stores in the nation. It is 125 years old. It's family owned, and it's been around since 1898. And you guys, they have some of the best, coolest stuff. Brand new with tags, items from the 80s and the 90s. These are, they had a surplus of inventory from that time period. And so you can go in and get all kinds of cool stuff. It's really like a hidden gem. So here is the box that the shoes came in. And guess what? There are only 2 pair of these shoes in the entire store. They both happen to be a size 7.5 in men's, which is my shoe size in women's. So I had to get a pair, guys. I mean, this is just so cool. So as you can see on the box, it says Pierre Cardin, New York, Paris, made in Brazil. This is the information of the style number on it. I did look online to see if I could find them like on eBay or somewhere like that, but I could not find them anywhere. So it was like, a needle in a haystack. I found a pair. So here we go, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, before I open the box, I'm going to quit rambling, I swear. But let me just tell you this real quick about the shoes. So these shoes are, like I said, in pristine condition. They are over 25 years old, so there is a little discoloration to the rubber, but everything else is in immaculate condition. And the rubber itself is really, outside of the discoloration, in really, really good condition. and I absolutely love them. You're probably going to be like, why is she oohing and on over those sneakers? Because I am, because I can. No, I'm just kidding. But I love them so much, and it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks because I love them. I just think they're the coolest. So of course I'm going to take the tag off when I wear them, but this is the tag, as you can see. And these are some high tops. They're padded around the ankle. This is what they look like in the back. They have a little bit of treading going up the back. And this is what they look like in the front and from the side. And you can see the Pierre Cardin signature there as well as here. And the stitching is really good. Like I say, they're in excellent condition, guys. And I just have to show you the inside of the sneaker. So I'm gonna cut away and show you the inside of the sneaker so you can see the natural raw leather behind the tongue of the shoe. The inside of the shoe has a lot of cushion. The arch support is tremendously high and great. So you have that nice support, and the cushioning within the shoe surprisingly is still really good. A nice foam support in there. It's like a nice firm foam support, but still comfortable. And I just can't believe that I happened upon these beautiful sneakers. And I just am so thrilled that I was able to get a pair of them. And like I say, they have another pair. So if you were a 7.5 in men's, if you're a woman, then you can come to Augusta and get you a pair. And if you're a man, you can get your pair. Unfortunately, they don't have online ordering, so you would have to be in the area to go pick them up from the store, but they are so worth it. These were priced at $99, which is a really good price when you think about these are not being made anymore. They're brand new with tags, with the original box, and it's just like a rarity, you know, guys. So 99 bucks is a really good deal. You know, think about the price that people pay for brand new sneakers that are not vintage. They pay like $200, $300 depending on the brand. So anyway, this is what it looks like on the bottom of the sneaker. And of course, you know, I'm going to style them for you. I'm just going to give you some casual stylings of what they look like with, you know, shorts and pants and things like that. So if that's your type of thing, stick around. I'm going to be right back. All right, let's get real. Let's talk comfort. These shoes are super comfortable. I would rate them a 10 out of 10. As you can see, I laced them up, but I did not lace them to the last hole, but you can for a snugger, tighter fit around the ankle. They are padded, so they would be super comfortable if you were to do so. The inside has tremendous arch support, so these are good for walking long distances. The rubber sole is very flexible and bendable, and they're lightweight, so super comfortable. Now let's style these. In the first look, I'm wearing some distressed shorts with a short sleeve red sweatshirt, and in the second look I'm wearing the same sweatshirt with some boyfriend jeans. And as you can see, either look, these shoes really complement the attire. You could also wear them with some leggings, with a jogger set, whatever your heart's desire. There's so many different options because this is such a classic shoe. In this look, I'm wearing a denim mini skirt and a t-shirt, and in the second look I'm wearing some dark wash skinny jeans with a New Life Art and Design t-shirt that you can get for $15. Now they're on sale, all fitted, and regular tees are $15, so check it out, newlifeartdesign.com. Pierre Cardin really knew what he was doing when it came to designing various things, and this shoe is no exception. Love the silhouette. This is just a classic design that a lot of designers make, very clean, and you could rock this, like I say, so many different ways. But this is my take on this Pierre Cardin vintage high top sneaker. I give it a 10 out of 10 for comfort, design, and obviously durability because it has lasted so long. But let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to hear me gush about my Pierre Cardin high top leather sneakers that I just absolutely adore. And let me know in the comments below if you're familiar with Pierre Cardin. Maybe you're familiar with the fragrance Pierre Cardin, or maybe you had a handbag or something from back in the day, or a scarf, you name it. but let me know. Let's create some dialogue. But you take care, guys. I love you, and I will see you real soon. Bye.